In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collection list page to the main navigation menu on your Shopify store. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enhance your store's navigation, making it easier for your customers to explore your collections seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left panel on your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, look for an option labeled Content. It's the starting point where you'll manage various aspects of your store's appearance and layout. Clicking on Content will present you with several choices related to the customization of your store. Next, among the options available, you'll need to select Menus. This section is crucial because it's where all the navigational elements of your store are configured. Once you're in the menu section, direct your attention to the main menu. This is the primary navigation menu that typically appears at the top of your store's homepage, and it's important because it serves as a map for visitors to explore different sections of your store. After entering the main menu section, you'll see an option to Add Item. Click on this to start the process of integrating your collection list into the main navigation. Here's where you get to decide what your customers will see when they visit your store. Enter a title for your collection list, something succinct and descriptive that will clearly indicate to your customers what they can expect to find when they click on it. For instance, it could be something like Fall Collection or New Arrivals, whatever best suits the collections you're showcasing. Once you have entered the title, the next step is to link the new menu item to your actual collection. Shopify makes this easy by allowing you to select the relevant link from a drop-down menu, which will be populated with all the collections you've set up in your store. Simply choose the appropriate one that matches the title you've just entered. And there you have it. Your collection list page is now part of your shop's main navigation menu. This quick addition can significantly improve the user experience on your store, helping customers find what they are looking for with ease. Remember, organizing your store's navigation is key to keeping customers engaged and potentially increasing your sales. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this guide has made it easy for you to add a collection list to your Shopify store. Don't forget to explore other customization options in Shopify to further enhance your store's layout and design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.